will give us.
Chairman Akinyemi Obe discloses that the new school building will create a better place of learning.
The Central Primary School, the building is dilapidated. It is not conducive for a human being to have an enabling educational environment there. That was why we quickly made it mandatory for us to build a new block of classrooms. Very soon the children are going to move there. Very soon it's going to be commissioned. And at the same time, the most distinguished Senator Oluremi Tinubu of Lagos State Central Senatorial District has also intervened in that sector. An MDG of 25.5 million naira is going to be built there, of 4 classrooms, VIP toilets and a borehole. It has already been sited there. We're waiting for the federal government to come and do the construction.
Home Economics Center, Sonya Primary School, is not left out of Honorable Akinyemi Obe's educational transformation. The school also got a block of 6 classrooms. The head teacher of the school, Mrs. Joke Festus Odukoya, says that there were no sufficient classrooms in the school before the chairman intervened.
As you can see, the new building, it was constructed by the Koka Aguda local chairman. And not only construction of this building, but they renovated this building. Before the two buildings were in shambles, they were dilapidated. But during her time, she constructed this new one, and she renovated this other block of 6 classrooms. And now she's about equipping this place for Home Economic Center and for the Sanya Nursery Primary School nursery children, and so also the office of Sanya Primary School is going to be in this building. And she really tried. Before, the compound was in it's been a flooded area, but since the construction of this building, through her, the Ministry of Environment, they've been coming to fill in this compound, and we now have a nice place for the children to play.
The council boss avers that the Home Economic Center will help pupils acquire etiquette and domestic training.
You can see that there are 2 blocks of 6 classrooms here already, but they were in a very dilapidated state when we assumed office. So we quickly did a little bit of rehabilitation. Home Science Center and Home Economics are the same, because all the things they are doing there is scientific. Having to know how to cook is scientific. Having to know how to do designs is scientific. Having to know how to draw, you have to be very graphic, which is science, before you can draw. So establishing that is to create etiquette for the children, to let them know how to do domestic things in the house, how to sew. It gingers the interest of people that are well versed, that are well renowned now. You have Moody Fashion Design. If you check his background and his educational profile, he might be a professional in another profession. He could be a doctor, a lawyer, or an engineer. But when they went to, some would say they got their training from their mom when they were cutting designs for their mom. Some would say they were a bit interested when they were in school, when they were in Home Science Center. You see, when you create this vocational center for the children, when they grow up, despite whatever they have as a degree, they can use it as another way of making money for themselves.
In a bid to help indigent students further their education, the council authority has organized free coaching classes for university matriculation examination students in the council area. Bamidele Michael is a beneficiary of such gesture. He observes that the council authority also provided qualified teachers for the students.
I gained a lot from it because while I was in secondary school, I attended a private school of which their teachers are not qualified, and the local government chairman provided qualified teachers to teach us JAMB combination subjects. So I just thank God for her, and I pray God add more grace to her elbow to continue organizing the program. Also, the program was free. Saturday classes, Monday to Friday, it was free. We didn't pay any money. The teachers taught us very well.